Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to be live upgrading this MynaUI website to Tailwind V4. So this is a big Tailwind website. It has Tailwind, shadcn with Next.js, React, and everything. So yeah, let's begin. So shadcn has this Tailwind V4 update docs. So let's try to follow this again. Okay. So upgraded project. So first we have to do this Tailwind upgrade next. So let's go to my terminal and let's start. Next Tailwind upgrade next force. Okay, before upgrading, I'm gonna make some changes to the I'm gonna remove all the shadcn things because I don't need it right now. I'll just update to the latest versions because all the shadcn components in this website is like whatever shadcn gives, so that I can make it look like shadcn and then update on top of it. So whatever is there is like the native one. So I'm gonna remove all the shadcn things. So I'll remove the components .json and I think that's it. I'll also remove the safe list because I don't think Tailwind before has a safe list thing. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's do this now. So Tailwind upgrade at next force. I don't think we need a next. So I'll remove that. Yeah. So that's happening. So this will update my Tailwind file. Searches for all CSS files in the current directory. Migrating JS config. Migrating templates. Okay, made style sheets, getting 4CS configuration, perfect. Upgrading dependencies, perfect. Okay, so I'll just install just so you're sure. Okay, so that's done. So the Tailwind config is gone, and this is updated to post CSS. That's perfect. And on my global CSS, there are a lot of changes. Okay, the border color, I don't need this. So this is for changing the border color to gray 200 again because Tailwind V4 changed it to like current color for border. So we don't need this. Okay, I think looks good. Let's go on to the next step. Okay, next step we have to update these things. So here you have to move root and dark out of layer base. Okay, so layer base, we have root and dark. We will move that. Perfect. And wrap the color values in HSL. Okay, so both things I have to wrap it in HSL. Okay, let me do that. HSL. HSL. Perfect. I'll actually remove HSL from these things because this is just hex values. We don't need HSL over there. Perfect. Okay, and add inline option to theme inline. Okay, so theme inline, and I'll also move this theme inline to way down over here. Okay, perfect. And remove HSL wrappers from a theme. Okay, so I have to remove these HSL wrappers over here. I think that's all. Perfect. So this is done. Second part is done. Update colors for charts. I don't think I have colors for charts, so I'll just check. No, I don't think I have any charts here. And upgrade size utilities. Do I have any size utilities? Probably, but I'll update it later. And updated dependencies. Okay, we'll just do this first. So this is upgrading Tailwind, Radix UI, CMDX, Lucid React, Recharts, Tailwind Merge, CLSX2, latest one. That's okay. Perfect. Okay, so I'll install again. Perfect. Okay, remove forward ref. I don't think we need it because we're gonna install everything from beginning. Okay, so let's init shadcn now. I'll open my terminal again and I'm gonna init shadcn UI. that's happening. I'm going to select slate as my default color. Perfect. And let's add all the components of shadcn. So I'll just select all. So this is going to add all the components, the button components to everything. Okay, it added hooks too. That's perfect. Okay, so I have added all the components, and I think I need to restore some of them as well. So let me just I've added some components of my own in UI, so I'm going to restore that. Oh yeah, shadcn, the latest one, has removed toast for sonar, so that's good. Sonar is here. Yeah, I think that's all for now. Let's just run it and see if there are any problems. Burn dev. So it's running. Next.js project is running. Localhost 3000. Perfect. No problem till now. Let's refresh this page. The utils has changed. Okay, let's just I think that's a problem. Let's restore this file, and there you have it. So this is upgraded to latest Tailwind, and for some reason I don't have perfect borders. Why is that? Let's check it out. Cyber ring radius is 0.625 rem. Okay, what radius do we have over here? I think I know why, because we have added this. Perfect. Okay, I remove that. Okay, yeah, everything works. So yeah, that's it. So that's how you upgrade your Tailwind file. So let's just compare this to whatever I have in production, which is in MynaUI.com. So this is localhost 3000 and this is MynaUI.com. So the icon on MynaUI.com is smaller. I don't know why. I have to check that. Let's just check it right now. Header and auth button. Here we have the search. No. Theme toggle and command bar. Let's go to theme toggle, and it's size 5. Okay, and what size do we have right here? Size 5 only, but it's bigger for some reason. Let's see why. So here we have size 5, and the buttons have added size 4 as the default thing. Okay, I'll just change this to size 4 then. Okay, and the search too. Let's go to command bar, and the button, let's change it to size. I think I can remove this, which will go to size 4. Yeah, perfect. I think that's it for now. It's very easy upgrade. Only thing missing is the safe list in Tailwind, but I'm sure they have something for that, so I'm gonna go and check it later. But that's basically it. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you want more Tailwind upgrade videos. These are fun, and I have like lots of website that needs to be upgraded to Tailwind V4 and shadcn latest version. So yeah, let me know if these videos are helpful and I can make more. That's it. Bye bye. See you soon.